That is a no-bake, leanergizing energy ball. Guess what? Taste. This is crazy. Welcome back to a brand new episode of Lean Living. Hello Squaddies, welcome back to a brand new episode of Lean Living. You know what it's all about? It's all about showing you guys how easy eating lean and healthy, tasty foods can be, and it doesn't get any easier than the recipe I'm gonna show you today. It is a no-bake, leanergizing energy ball. And we're gonna have protein in it. It is gonna be tasty with some chocolatey flavors. And the best part about it is the easiest recipe you can possibly make. So, without further ado, get excited, buckle up, and we're gonna start right away. First things first is, you're gonna grab one of these. This is called a baking tray. And then, you're gonna grab a little parchment paper. Oops, yep, so just a little bit of parchment paper to cover. Hold on, didn't really go to plan. That was crazy. And then all we do is cover your tray, just like that. We're gonna grab a mixing bowl, just like this one. Before I go any further, hopefully you've subscribed to the channel. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to really work hard, grow the YouTube channel. Spread the Leanness is a great platform, really enjoying doing it. And so if you could subscribe and comment, that would make it that much better. Back to our lean schedule announcement. We are gonna grab the rolled oats. You can find these in most grocery stores. Some of the ingredients I'm gonna show you, I have linked on the Lean Shop because they're a little harder to find, and I wanna make the leanness as easy as possible. If you've got Amazon Prime, these will literally show up at your door the next day, and these ingredients are crucial to keeping it tasty, but also keeping this recipe leanified. So, 1 cup of rolled oats is what is going in the mixing bowl. It's gonna be 1 cup. I'm trusting my instincts, but you wanna measure 1 cup. Now, this is certainly a secret ingredient. This is calorie-free, 0 calories, 0 sugar maple syrup. So this is Walden's brand. Walden's brand maple syrup. They also have different flavors. Again, I've linked in the Lean Shop. This is definitely something you wanna have in your cupboard. It always brings that little bit of sweetness without the consequences of spiking your insulin levels. So definitely invest in some of this. It is definitely a harder ingredient to find, but good news is it is on Amazon. And again, I've linked it in the comments below, or I've linked it in the description below. 2 tablespoons of Walden's maple syrup. And again, you don't have to be precise here, or too precise, but just about 2 tablespoons. I might do a dash more for a little bit more sweetness. Whoop. There we go. Walden's Farms. Keep your eyes peeled for that, and definitely pick some up if you don't have some. Next ingredient, not so secret, most grocery stores will have this, I hope, is peanut butter. Now you want to look for the peanut butter that doesn't have any added sugar in it. That's very important. And also a nice creamy one. You want that creamy texture. Here you can see it's not too liquidy, because these are gonna hold our balls together and also provide us with the healthy fats to keep us satiated, to keep us energized without, again, spiking those insulin levels. So that's what lean snacks are all about. You never wanna spike your insulin level, because when you do that, you're gonna end up crashing. With these balls, no crash, just a whole bunch of energy. So, about 3/4 cup peanut butter in the bowl. Whoop. Next ingredient is milled flaxseed, okay? This is full of fiber, so we're going about 1/4 cup here of milled flaxseed. There we go. In the bowl. Ooh. Look at that, shaping up nicely right there. Now, we're bringing the lean heat with some protein. We're gonna add some protein powder here. This is a VEGA plant-based protein. And this, I've really been enjoying this protein powder. It's obviously all plant-based, great source of protein. And again, I'm trying to incorporate more plant-based products in my lifestyle, in my nutrition, and that way I find it reduces my inflammation and I have a more balanced way of eating. So we're just gonna do about half a scoop. Because sometimes when you add protein powder to recipes like this, it gets a little overwhelming. So just about half a scoop, and this is something you wanna play with depending on the protein powder. But again, I've linked the VEGA, this is it right there, in the store. Great protein powder. If you don't have any, or you're looking to switch things up, a little more balance in your life, invest in some of this. Now, I'm also gonna do a sprinkle of MACA powder. This is it. This is VEGA based again. Put it in the store, and MACA is really good for keeping you energized. And I know what you've been waiting for. You've been saying, Phil, you promised really sweet, chocolatey energy balls, but I haven't seen any chocolate. Well, that is because we are putting in 0 sugar chocolate right here. Again, another secret ingredient. These are a little harder to get. I've linked it in the Amazon shop, and good news is they are on Amazon Prime. So we're gonna go about half a cup of chocolate chippies here. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, right there. That is our bowl of leanness. And all we're gonna do is mix them up, make them into balls, put them on the pan. In the freezer they go. Leanness is gonna be popping out. Look at that. Look at those guys right there. Look at that lean level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you got a guess. Put them in the freezer. Me and Hudson will see you back here once these are ready to rock and roll. Okay, squaddies, it is the moment we've all been waiting for. Time to unveil the leanness. But first, please comment below. Let me know what types of recipes you guys want to see more of. Whatever you struggle with, let me know, and I will do my best to post those types of recipes, because ultimately, I want to make the healthiest, tastiest foods that you are going to enjoy. And now, back to our scheduled lean announcement. Boo! The tastiest, yummiest no-bake energy bowl you will ever have, right here in the palm of my hand, in the bowl. Look at these, one more look. And the best part about these squaddies is that this is the perfect snack. Most snacks out there are filled with sugar. They give you an initial boost of energy, and then you have a huge crash because they've spiked your insulin. Not with these guys. We use the Walden's Farm 0 sugar maple syrup to give it that sweetness, the protein powder, the MACA for energy, healthy fats. These are gonna keep you going throughout the day without any crash. So, with that in mind, it is time for my snacky. Have an incredible day, squaddies. Let me know if you made these. Last but not least, subscribe to the channel. And if you are looking for a custom meal plan, custom workout plan tailored to you with recipes like these and workouts from home, at the gym, or a mix of both, then please, please, please go to www.lean-squad.com. Check it out. You can also DM me on Instagram, and I'll get back to you at Leansquad. Because my goal is to help as many people get healthier, fitter, and leaner, and more confident as possible. So I will see you back here next episode, because next week's recipe is something you definitely don't want to miss. Enjoy these for now.